We'll start with a barbless nymph, size 12. I've got claret sheer, tying thread. We'll go back here, remove that. This is a great little nymph that works very well for me. For the tail, we've got some wood duck. You can use mallard if you wish, but I like this darker barring. There we go, that's perfect. So we go back up here. Let's go over that. Take a little lead wire. I just want to tack this in on the thorax. Like so. Just break that off there. You can of course add as much lead as you wish. And I've got some ultra lace tubing, 0.6mm red. Just take a short length of that. Tack that in, stretch it so we don't build up that abdomen too much. We'll go back right into the tail base, like so. Just secure that. Take ourselves back to there. Then what I've made is some pine squirrel dubbing. This is a mixture of the guard hairs, but mostly guard hairs, and a bit of the underfur. So we'll start this off just with a little twist. We want this to be really buggy. And of course we want that taper, that the abdomen gets larger towards the thorax. So we just slide that up and we catch that in there. And we can just tighten this up a little bit more. But buggy is the key word here. And then we go up here. Perfect. And we take our lace material and we want to rib this 3 or 4 turns will be enough. Perfect. Tie that off under the thorax like so. And then we can remove that. I need a bit of pheasant tail. For the wing case, and we'll just tie this in to one side of the thorax, and then another bunch of pheasant tail that we tie in on this side. Just go over the ends of that. Then we can see here, if we pull this over, that everything's good. That's good. And we want to spin our thread anti-clockwise so we get a flat profile that we can split. Oops. That will do us. And we take a little bit more squirrel dubbing. We want it to be thicker at the rear of the thorax and thinner as it goes forward. So we just spin that up, don't need much here. Then we can just pick out the heavy bits. And we wrap our thorax. Again, thicker at the back, and buggy is the key word again. Go forward to there. We take our pheasant tail, wing case, try and get the fibres parallel. We want that lovely kind of pear shape. Good. I'll trim that off. We'll start at the hook eye and work our way back. Doing it that way, your tying thread won't slip off. And we'll form the head. Good. Whip finisher. Give it another one. Remove the tying thread. Just pull out that bugginess. Now, we just cover most of the fly with our fingers, and we just give it a quick burn like that to remove all the bugginess around the head, and then we can give it a coat of varnish. And that's it. That's the Scruffy Squirrel nymph. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.